In this video, we'll show you how you can do some simple edits to your videos when using YouTube on a computer. To get started, go to YouTube Studio and click Videos. Choose the video you'd like to make changes to, then go to Editor. You can choose to trim the start or end of your video, or cut out parts in the middle. To trim the beginning or end, click Trim. You'll see a blue bar at each end of the video. Hover your mouse over the blue bar until it turns white. Now you can drag to the part you want to keep. Click Preview to see the edited video. If you'd like to make further adjustments, click Edit Trim. If you'd like to keep your changes, click Save, then Save again in this window. It may take a few hours for YouTube to update your video. Now we'll show you how to trim in the middle of your video, like this part. To get started, click the starting point where you want to trim, then click Trim. Now select Split. Drag the white bar to the point where you want the video to start again. By the way, you could trim multiple parts in one video. Once you're set, click Preview. Like before, if you want to make additional changes, click Edit Trim. Once you're finished, click Save twice. Check out other videos in our YouTube Studio series here.